Hi and welcome, and in this video we're gonna update some servers of me. We will write some new scripts, fix some scripts, and do some other stuff like configuring of the chat plugin a bit. And we're gonna create not a folder because clean work make that you need that you have the overview what you're doing, and if something don't work or you need some files from previously versions, then you can easy find them. So now we configure a chat plugin file. As you can see, the flag says which type of type we need to use, and as you see where the UPD is the access flag. This is which flag which tag shows, and NX07 or NX06 are the colors. This white I showed different colors, and tear it down you can see it's the same. This is then the color which shows the typing text of the user. Now we're gonna need to change the main menu because there is a small problems, like for example the admin menu we need to change to owner menu. Then we need to say if this flag is not true, then we print a message, and now we add the feed menu and other stuff. Now we write in the to-do list what we have done and what not. We have done the chat tag changing plugin, and we name it the admin to owner menu. Now we're gonna fix the save plugin from the ammo packs what I wrote, and there is a bug, namely if you on specs or disconnect, your ammo pack still get removed and decrease it. And this is I think because they said task, I said 3 tasks, but remove it no only, no I remove all 3 tasks, and this should fix the problem. I don't know, I don't have tested it yet, but it should fix. This got reported by a player. Now we write that we fixed the armor packs in the donor section, and I think now let's add the pipe bomb plugin. Now we in the site where the pipe bomb plugin is. As you can see, it's for CP 4.3. We use CP 7.6. It's based on CP 5.08, I think. And now we're gonna download all these things, the models, the sounds, the length file, and the source code. Now we in the source code And first I try to compile for see if there is a bug or not. Now I configure it as the zombie covers of it, like I want. And then I gonna changing the source code from 5.3 to 5.7.8, and yeah, for this and for the FIP menu. And we make CV instead of CP. This is for the same FIP plugin that it could show it in the item menu. And now we go down and we change that CV, the CP extra item selected to CV extra item selected. We don't forget to add a info text in the CV section, because otherwise it won't compile, because the maker of the CM FIP have added this option too. Now we're gonna include the CP50 libraries, like CP50 class name assist, CP17 class sniper, CP17 class Sophie4, and the 70 class assassin, and the CP50 class item system, and other stuff like the core system. This is for normal zombies, like CP core is user zombie. Now we write the same, just instead of CP extra item, we write CP items register, which the name and the cost. The cost is in a variable which represent the number, and which get precover num. And then in the things we write cover cost, because it's the variable where it got saved. Then I press compile for see where it is, where it used the old commands, like here. And here we need, instead of CP plugin handle, write CV plugin handle. And this overall now. And after we donate this, we need to add another section, like it's for the CP50, that it get, that the mental shield get into normal menu, item menu, item menu, show it, and this make we with CP4V item select pre and CP item select post. And the select pre is basically just which user can show it the item and is able to press it and to see it. And post is basically what the item do, so what happened to the user, like more damage and other stuff. Here we will write if CP core is a zombie, and this means is not. And if CP class Sophie forget, also if CP is, also if user is a Sophie or a sniper or an assassin or a nemesis. As you can see, I did a mistake. I wrote 2 times an end. This means a end, a logical end. And this what I instead wrote means a logical or. Means honor. If honor of them is true, then this happens. Now we copy the stuff in CP extra items selected. This is basically in CP5 the extra item post. And now we update the CP ammo packs. CP set user ammo packs is from the CP 5.3 library, and CP ammo pack set is from the CP 5.9 library, as you can see. And here we set the ammo packs to get plus the extra apps. And now we write this in the list too. And like that you can change 5.3 items to 5.0.8 or in general 5 series. Now we write the anti-stack for bots. These plugins basically do if the user, also if the bot aims a bit above the circle, like 90% degrees up, it begin to twitch. This is simple against bot farming. If someone want to farm for tab 5, 15 or for ranks bots, this is just an item which makes a plugin which makes it harder. And sorry, I did a mistake. Sorry, forgot what I said the last 20 seconds. This is a plugin which make the bots unstuck because of the Twitch plugin. The Twitch plugin I already wrote, sorry, my mistake. Now we create functions, client connect, client disconnect, and other stuff, but we don't need this. Now we write user ID is random number 1 to 32 in the main function, and if user is connected, and if user, we need not to ask if your user is a zombie and if your user is a bot. For really need to be sure that we teleport a bot. Will be better if we teleport a player middle in the gameplay. This will be weird. Now if CP core is zombie, CP random spawn do user ID. This simple teleport the bot to a spawn point. But as you can see, I wrote main function 2 because I got another idea how we can do it, and this is better. This is more automatic, and this is simple. While found bot user is false, means while it's not true, it keeps looping this code block. Now we create a boolean and the index. For the index is the max tries. If you don't write it, then it will probably crash. And if the index is, for example, 100 or 1000, we send einfach found bot user to true for make the loop end and to prevent a server crash. And now we write a function is the bot true, also is the bot connected, it's a bot and is a zombie, because then it is a high chance that it gets stuck. Then we return just true, else we return false. And then this function we write simple in the while loop. If is the bot true, and then we write the ID, in this case the current index. Then we make cp random spawn do current index. And here if user bot we have forgot to write. And now we write cp random spawn do. And of course if the index is true, but we don't need to write this, because this will be, if you don't write is equal to true or is equal to false, then it will be automatic if is equal to true. This is in C/C++, like this, and in the other programming language. As you can see, we done it. I hope you liked the video, and if yes, you liked the video, and sub my channel. And now let's test.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
And as you can see, index 9 got teleported because it got stuck. And as you can see, the users get teleported. The bots. The zombie bots. But not the human bots. sind wir. We see us in the next video and bye.